Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this silver eye makeup look. So if you like it, do keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. My name is Afifa Aadil and I make videos every week on lifestyle, beauty and fashion. So yeah, keep watching. I'm starting off by moisturizing my skin with the Clinique Moisture Surge. My skin is a little drier at this time of the year because of the winter, the harsh weather. I'm going in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence Drops to hydrate my skin even further and also prep it for the makeup application. I'm using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Custard 220N and I'm applying it directly to my face. Now, I did get carried away with this and applied a little more than I needed. You only need like 2-3 pumps and that should do the job. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it on my skin. This is a really nice high coverage foundation and you actually don't even, like I personally don't even need a concealer after this, but I still use some light coverage concealer under my eyes to just brighten up that area. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Natural to brighten my under eye area. I'm gonna blend this using the same damp beauty blender. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder to bake my face and also set my under eye area. So I'm gonna apply it using the damp beauty blender under the eyes, and I'm gonna leave that powder on till I'm done with my eye makeup. I'm going in with the KKW contour kit and I'm using this shade and applying it under my cheekbones, under the jawline and on my forehead. Now I'm using the Morphe Copper Dream Set brush to contour my nose with the same powder. I'm cleaning the contour lines with the same translucent powder and letting that powder sit there. I'm using a MAC Painterly paint pot to prime my eyelids. Going in with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. This is a beautiful palette, very pigmented, and I'm starting off by using this as a transition shade. I'm using the E27 brush to apply this shade around the crease area. I'm taking this brown shade and applying it on my crease using the M507 Morphe brush. This is a thin blending brush and it helps apply it very precisely to that area. I'm going to keep blending this till I get some softness. Now I'm taking the MAC 217 brush, which is very clean at this time, and I'm just using it to blend the edges and soften them. Taking this really dark, deep black shade from the palette, I'm applying it in the corner of my eye using the Morphe M507 brush. Now I'm slowly building this black shade up. And because of the time I spend doing this, I'm fastening this scene for you. I know I don't want to get you bored, but at the same time I want to show you exactly where I applied this black shade. So I applied this in the outer corner of the eye and also bring it towards the inner corner. I'm going to keep on blending this. I'm taking a clean brush and basically just softening the edges. Now I'm taking the 217 brush and I've taken that transition shade again and just softened the edges. Now I'm taking this brown shade and applying it to my eyelid. Taking this silver shade, which is really beautiful and sparkly, I'm gonna apply it using the 239 number brush. You can do this step using your finger as well, but I prefer the brush because I feel like the black shade can move easily and I don't want to mess that up. I'm using the glitter glue now because although this shade is very pigmented, I still want to see more sparkle and more depth in this silver shade. So I just tapped it on top of my eyelid and just applied the silver shade on top, and you can see how much more pigment I see. Now this dark brown shade, I'm using it again in the crease, basically just defining the edge a little more but keeping it soft. With the same clean brush, I'm softening the edges again. Now I'm using the Morphe 508 brush to basically apply that black eye shade toward the outer corner of my lower lash line. This is going to help me apply it really precisely close to the lash line, but I'm not bringing it all the way towards the inner corner. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, I'm just filling in my eyebrows, and this is the shade medium brown. I'm using the Kat Von D inkliner in Trooper to apply my wing line. So I'm just doing the boundary first and then filling it in with the same liner. I'm applying the Huda Beauty lashes in Farah. Taking the Benefit They're Real mascara, I'm just gonna apply it to the base of the lashes so the falsies and my original lashes blend in well. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Kohl pencil in my waterline, brushing off this excess face powder from my face and also buffing some of it into my skin. I'm using the Safe Word lip liner by Smashbox Cosmetics. It's the Always Sharp lip liner, and I'm lining my lips. I'm using the Sigma Beauty blush in Serene and applying it using the 79 number Sephora brush. I'm using the Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette. This is the Pink Sands edition, and I'm using the shade Ibiza. This highlight is just amazing. I'm also applying it to my chin, to my forehead, just above the brows. Using a pencil brush, I'm gonna apply it to the cupid bow and also the bridge of my nose and the inner corner of my eye. And I clearly forgot to apply it to my brow bone, but that's okay, I guess. I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes and going in with the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Venice. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you like it. I love the silver eye shade. I personally love the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. It's really pigmented and gives you that perfect eye makeup look. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that like button. And if you could please click that bell button next to the subscribe button, that would actually notify you of any new video that I upload. The details to the makeup used here will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And also my other social media links and contacts will be in the description box as well. Do leave a comment below if you have any questions, any suggestions, or if you just want to connect with me. I would be happy to respond to your comments. So until next time, stay fashionable, stay happy. Bye.